Hello and welcome. This is Rafi. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to make money online as a beginner with affiliate marketing. I'm going to talk about Fiverr affiliate program, which is one of the most popular and most beginner friendly affiliate networks available out there. Even if you don't have any prior marketing experience, if you don't have a huge social media following, if you don't have a website, and even if you don't have a computer or laptop device, you can still earn money with this affiliate network simply by promoting your affiliate links on social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Quora, and many other websites, and generate commissions, which I earn money from by following this exact process. I'm going to show you how you can learn throughout this video, and I'm going to share how much I have been earning from these affiliate networks month by month, and I am going to share a very special information throughout this video with you regarding recurring commission. So without further ado, let me show you how much I have earned so far in this year. So if I simply filter this out with, let's say, year to date, and if I click on update, you can see I have earned 1457 dollars in this year alone, like from January 1st to April 11th, 2023. And if I make some adjustment here, instead of, let's say, 2021, let's say from June 2022 to April 2023, if I make an update, just take a look, I was able to earn 3,377 US dollars from Fiverr affiliate program, and most of the money I'm making from this affiliate network is from social media site, and most popular one that I'm generating commissions from is Quora, and I'm going to show you where you can learn how to promote your affiliate links on Quora step by step. All right, and now if I take you here, let's say on earning report, I'm going to share that exciting information regarding recurring commission. Just take a look. Today, or actually yesterday, I have received this amount, 280 US dollars from one single purchase, from one single referral. And not only that, I am so happy. Some of the people who have been watching my YouTube videos are also earning money, and they registered as affiliate on Fiverr using my affiliate link, on which you'll find in the video description, and they are making money, which is really a good news for you and for me as well. All right, so now if I just simply copy this affiliate ID for one single affiliate, I'm going to show you how much I have made so far as a recurring commission. So if I open this date panel here, and if I take you to, let's say, June, July, or let's say July 1st, and if I click on run report, you are going to notice, if I paste this information here, just take a look at this user ID, which is same for this one single person. So July 12th, I was able to earn $6 US from this person. Then August 12th, I was able to get $100 US, the FB Fiverr business affiliate CPA, and then I am being able to earn recurring commissions from one single referral here on Fiverr, which you can do as well. Simply, I'm going to attach this video playlist link into this video description so that you can watch the videos. If you watch this tutorial video, simply this one only, you'll be able to learn everything you need to know to start affiliate marketing on Fiverr, and how I promote Fiverr business affiliate links to get this huge amount of money from one single referral. And if you want to broaden your knowledge, simply, if you're a complete beginner, I'd suggest you to start watching the video tutorials from the first one. It will help you learn about affiliate marketing basics, how does affiliate marketing works, and so on and so forth. And from this video, you are going to learn about Quora marketing. You are going to learn about how I am making money with my mobile device as well, by sharing my affiliate links on Quora and some other platforms to generate money. All right, and if you watch this video, you are going to learn in detail information about Quora marketing. And here we go for Twitter affiliate marketing. Then here is how you can keep your Quora account safe while you will promote your affiliate links to Quora, and many other video tutorials which you are going to find helpful. I'm going to attach this link into the video description so that you'll be able to access all the videos from one single place. All right, now let me show you some emails so that you can see this is a consistent income, and if you put some effort, you'll be able to generate commissions. All right, so if I take you to monthly performance by Fiverr affiliates, and if you just take a look, the first email here from January 5th, the report you are going to see is for December 2022. So if I open this up, they are going to show you like how many or how much you have earned, how many FTBs you have generated, how many visits, and so on and so forth. So just take a look. On December 2022, I was able to generate $236 doing nothing at all. Now if I take you back and if I show you the second email, which was on February 7th, and it is going to show us the stats for January 2023. So if I open this up, so just take a look, here we go. I have earned $605. So in January, I relocated to the United Kingdom and I was not doing any kind of work, but I was able to generate this $605. Now if I take you back, and you're going to notice the other email which I received on March 8th, and if we just take a look, the start reports is for February, and I was able to earn $416 on the month of February doing nothing at all. Let me take you back and let's open up the latest email, which was I received on April 10th, like yesterday, and it is for the March stats. And on March, I was able to earn $414 doing nothing at all. So why I am mentioning like doing nothing, why I'm mentioning it is 100% passive income, let me show you. So the works I have done the works very old days ago. So if I over 1 year ago, over 2 months ago, and I'm getting the benefits now. So if I take you to my Quora profile, which I am mostly promoting the affiliate products through. So if I just show you one of my Quora profiles, if I just open up this profile, while I was making this video, let me show you this video, most probably I had like 10 to 12 followers, and now I have got 1227 followers. These are not coming from YouTube, they are coming from Quora itself. I don't promote my Quora profile on YouTube. All right, so they're coming from Quora answers, Quora postings that I have made. And if you just take a look over the last 30 days, I have like around 100k views on the answers I have made, on the posts I have made, and I'm getting clicks on my affiliate links. I am getting first time buyers, I am getting commissions, not only on Fiverr affiliate network, also on Skillshare, also on, let's say, Hostinger and the other affiliate networks I work with. So if I just show you here from answers tab, I have made 208 answers using this single let's say profile. And if you just take a look, the ratio, the last time I have answered to a question was March 5th, which is over 1 month ago, and just take a look, I'm still getting consistent traffic. And if you just scroll a bit down, March 4th, March 1st, then February 26th, February 26th, 25, February 3rd, and just take a look, I have got a long break. In this period, I didn't do any kind of work for, let's say, 3 months, but still I was able to generate money. So on affiliate marketing or any other passive income ways, you have to work once or sometimes periodically, but you are going to get the results over the time, and you are going to get the results as a compound interest, right? And with periodically, or let's say consistently. So this is what I should say. So I am making all this money doing nothing at all as of now. If I take you here, you can see the current month stats. So far it is like 11th April, I made $303 doing nothing at all, and it is going to increase for sure. I have got 0 first time buyers so far this month, but it should be at least 5 first time buyers, or 3 to 5, so that I'll have more. I'm assuming I'll have at least $500 by this month, which is an extra income, extra passive income for me, which is really great, which you can generate as well. Simply watch the videos, guys, learn what I am doing, and all the things I am doing to generate income from Fiverr affiliate network are shown here on these videos. I have got only one extra source, which is one blog where I'm promoting affiliate links, but that blog is not properly indexed yet, or not getting that much, let's say, traffics. So I'm getting very low number of, let's say, sales or commissions from that website, and most of the traffics, most of the sales, most of the commissions I am generating through Quora, through Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms that I have shown, Twitter and other platforms I have shown throughout these videos. So please watch the lessons, take notes and implement the knowledge that you are learning. So many of you guys watch videos and then you just forget about that. So what's the catch here? You are not going to make anything at all if you don't take action. So please, while you are spending time watching the videos, which is obviously making me some money, please make that working for you as well. The things we are sharing as content creators, we share from our experiences, which is working, that so that you don't have to work. So if you try, at least if you don't get good results, you will get bad results. That is not a bad thing as well. If you don't get good results today, you are going to bad results, which is going to grow your knowledge, which is going to teach you what is right to do and what is wrong to do, which you might going to avoid in the next effort, and it is going to help you go step forward to the success line for the future. So please keep learning, keep implementing the knowledge, which is really important. If you don't take action, you are never going to get any result from anywhere, right? So please, after watching the lessons, after reading books, please implement the skills, implement the knowledge, then you can simply, let's say, hope for some results. So I wish you the very best. Please, if you have found this video helpful and informative, if you have found this video playlist helpful and informative, please share this video with your friends on social media sites. It could be on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, wherever you are active, or in your private message of your family or friends private message, so that they will get some knowledge as well, and they will be able to work out. And if you have got any further question regarding Fiverr affiliate program, please feel free to let me know by commenting below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I have to see you in my next videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.